My name is Krasimir Nikolov. I'm CEO and co-founder of QuarkXR. And for the past 6 or 7 years, I've been working on immersive technologies like augmented and virtual reality. I started working in the field back in 2013 when a colleague of mine at the time got a pair of Google Glass, which is a very rudimentary augmented reality platform, a pair of glasses that are similar to mine. They're quite limited in functionality, but you could still overlay virtual objects onto the real world. So it was a very, very fascinating idea at the time, merging those two worlds, the digital and the real world. But the main issue was around affordability and access to this technology by a broader audience of people. My project is called QuarkXR, and it is a cloud streaming platform which utilizes cloud edge computing and technologies like 5G in order to enable better fidelity and to enable cheaper prices for virtual and augmented reality hardware. So the problem that the industry is facing is that there's sort of a triangle between cost, form factor, and image quality. And if you want to improve, for example, the image quality, you also have to drive up the price of the hardware. And my project, QuarkXR, wants to break out of this dilemma by utilizing streaming and cloud computing. And essentially, we do most of the computation on the cloud, and the end user has a lightweight mobile device that it's easy to use and it's cheap. In terms of the technology itself, eventually we want everything in virtual and augmented reality to look exactly as the physical world, and we're not there yet. So we have to work with research, R&D, and lab teams across the world and to collaborate. And that's the only way how we can move the whole industry forward. And this brought me to NGI, which is a great initiative. When we talk about the next generation internet and the more human-centric design of the internet, I think augmented and virtual reality fit exactly into that picture, because the whole idea of them is to move away the computer that people use and to put the person in the center of the experience. So I think it's very, very fitting for NGI and for QuarkXR to collaborate in that sense. But eventually I would be very, very happy to see the technology of QuarkXR help more people get exposed to this new technology, especially people who are in parts of the world that don't have access to traditional computers like we do right now.